Hello everyone, welcome back to Media Candle Beauty Tips. Today, I am here to address one of the most highly requested topics of all time, how to remove acne scars and marks. While there are numerous methods available, I will focus on the easiest and most effective ones, which are home remedies. In this video, I will share 3 at-home remedies that have personally helped me combat acne marks since my teenage years. Let's start by discussing the first remedy, which involves the use of coffee, honey, and lemon. Coffee has several benefits for the skin. Caffeine acts as a natural exfoliator, reducing inflammation and improving circulation. Regular use of coffee as an exfoliator can gradually fade acne marks, resulting in a smoother complexion. For oily skin, you can mix a tablespoon of ground coffee with a tablespoon of honey. If you have dry skin, try mixing it with a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Apply this mixture once or twice a week for best results. Moving on to honey, it is not only effective in treating acne scars but also helps in combating acne itself. Honey is gentle on the skin, reducing redness and irritation. Its antibacterial properties contribute to fading acne scarring and dark marks while providing moisturization and softening the skin. After completing your skincare routine, take a small amount of honey and gently apply it to the marks before bedtime. Rinse it off in the morning. Lastly, lemon juice is known for its natural skin bleaching properties, which can help fade dark marks left by acne. While some may have concerns about using lemon on their skin, I have personally used it as a natural exfoliator for years without any issues. In fact, it has brightened my skin. However, if you already have sensitive skin, it is best to avoid using lemon. Leave the lemon juice on your skin for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse it off with water and continue with your regular skincare routine. You may experience a slight stinging sensation when using lemon, even if your skin is not typically sensitive. Remember, these home remedies require time and patience. Acne marks usually fade away on their own within a few months, but incorporating these remedies can provide additional assistance. I hope you found these tips helpful. Thank you for watching Media Candle Beauty Tips, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care and goodbye.